In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but we will see more precisely moi. So let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about moi. And the stressed pronoun moi can be translated into various ways in English, such as I, me, or myself. So we will see some examples with moi. Moi, je préfère le chocolat noir. Moi, je préfère le chocolat noir. Qui a pris le dernier cookie? C'était moi. Qui a pris le dernier cookie? C'était moi. Entre toi et moi, je pense qu'il a tort. Entre toi et moi, je pense qu'il a tort. Moi, je n'ai jamais visité Paris. Moi, je n'ai jamais visité Paris.